We're going to do a mindfulness meditation on mindfulness of breathing. And so mindfulness means to remember. And in this meditation, we're training our mind to remember, to focus on our breathing. And so as much as possible throughout these 5 minutes, that's going to be our goal. So we're going to just begin with making sure that we're sat in a comfortable sitting position. If we're sat on the floor, ideally we should have our knees touching the ground and the cushion that we're sitting on acting like a wedge so that we feel very stable in a tripod position. Or if we're sitting on a chair, again, that our feet are touching the ground. And from here we can begin to relax into this stable position. Taking a few deep breaths. And beginning to let go of the weight of our bodies into the lower parts of our bodies that are touching the ground. And with our next deep breath out, we set our intention for doing this short meditation, thinking that by training our mind to focus on our breathing, may we be able to reduce the amount of harm that we potentially cause others and increase our potential to benefit them. May this meditation be a cause for that. And so we're going to focus our concentration on the area between our nostrils and our top lip. As much as possible, holding our mind to this particular fine point area of focus. Noticing our in-breath and noticing our out-breath. And just solely focusing on that experience of the breath between the nostrils and the top lip. And if we notice that our mind becomes distracted, thinking about things, hearing sounds, we notice that and we just bring our mind back to our point of focus on the experience of the breath. And so let's do that for the next couple of minutes. Finally, we think whatever positive potential we may have created in engaging in this meditation, beginning to train our mind, we can dedicate this to our potential to benefit others. And that through this meditation, may that potential grow.